if we were to compare ourselves, our industry to Hollywood, do they really have limitations? Diba? When it falls under the bracket na artista ka, you really have to do whatever it is that's asked from you by the script, by your director. Basta nasa context naman, it makes sense eh, diba? I mean, I could have applied to be a doctor or, I don't know, a dentist, but I chose to be an artista. So I guess it falls under the category of I have to do what it says in the script. There will come a day that I have to explain that to my child. So I think the same naman for Colleen with Amari. I'll let her speak for herself. But I will have to explain it. Because aside naman from this, I've done Viva Max. I've done other movies. And I guess at the end of the day, it'll come down to what am I as a person willing to do or show. Kung kaya ka ba mag full Monty, you know, all the way that's hanging loose out there, I don't know. But I'm very naman with my boundaries. Like, I'm open to a little bit, but not too much. Kasi sana nag-porn star na lang ako kung yun ang gagawin ko, di ba? But art, it's art at the end of the day. Now, even Direk said, with Leonardo DiCaprio, care. You know, with these guys care. So dapat dun tayo tumingin eh. Eh sila naman yung mga idol natin eh. We want to be like them. So,
ako naman po, I think by the time na he'll be in the age na mababother siya, parang wala na yun. Diba? Parang I'll be so much older na by then, and I don't know if it will really... It's hard if like every decision I make, I'll have to think about that, diba? Kasi tao naman tayong lahat. And especially when you're an actor, it really comes with the job. Like for example, I for a while, I tried to not do mga sexy roles, diba? Pero it's not something you can totally stay away from if you really want to explore different roles. Because, like for example, ako, kung hindi naman kailangan sa pelikula, hindi ko ipupush, sasabihin ko, parang hindi naman kailangan, di ba? Pero in this particular film, kailangan eh. Oo, kailangan talaga siya. And you would only understand by watching the film. And yung film, hindi kasi siya yung parang yung buong theme niya is sexiness. Hindi eh. Like, sana ang takeaway ng mga tao when they finish watching the film ay mas powerful yung buong story, mas powerful yung kwento, kesa sa fact na may sexy scenes. Kasi I think, actually parang no, especially tayo here in the Philippines, we like to focus on the presence of sexy scenes. We like to talk about it, we like to watch it and everything. But it all boils down to the story also. And I feel like, kung nakita mo yung story as a whole, yung sexy scene parang ganito lang siya. Tapos yung story, di ba? So, I don't know how to describe this. Pero ganun lang yun. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, that was